Um, Testing. I didn't let the time end. Why am I so big? And yes, I do have a cute little snake on my shoulder because why not? Like, is there a reason not to have a cute snake? Um, Ramadan Mubarak to me. um, yes, it is. We broke our first fast of Ramadan around a while ago, 2 hours ago, more than 2 hours ago, and I had the worst headache, and my family is telling me it's because of my caffeine addiction, and I'm not saying no. Could be that. It could be. You never know. Don't judge people. And also, I had like the worst headache. I had zero energy, and I was like, do I skip today's stream? Like I just don't have it in me. And then um because I have realized that evening for me is family time, and I do prefer family time over learning. um I do put higher priority over family time. So, and there were other people in our house that were, like immediate family, but like not living with us. And I was like, I don't want to leave them. And then they left like 10 minutes ago. I was like, okay, I can start the stream now. Because I enjoyed being around them. And as you can see, I actually have energy. That's because they forced me to have energy. Like they gave their energy to me. I sucked the life out of the people that I love. And yeah, that was my first day of Ramadan. I honestly, hunger and thirst were not the problem. The only problem was the low energy and headache. So I am looking forward to my first working day, even though like I fasted a month ago, or was it 3 weeks ago? Like it's not like I have not been fasting. I do fast. It's just, yes, that's why I currently have decaf coffee next to me, and I already had a cup of coffee. I'm not gonna admit that I do have yeah. Anyway, so the plan for today. Ooh, reasoning and planning. So the plan for today for me is like keep it low energy and just watch the CMU lectures, but also double checking that we are live and that things are good. I do believe that things are pretty good. Very good. Yeah. Yes. Zero dropped frames. Pretty much good. And the snake is cute. So I do want to test some stuff. Do I do it now or later? I feel like doing it now. Uh oh, fasting can cause headache too, I think. I suppose. You're right. I do yeah, and actually one of let me go back to chatting mode because I feel I am very chatty right now. um and that's why like you break your fast by having a date, the thing you eat, the food, because it helps with the low blood sugar. You're right. Absolutely. I don't think I've had this issue, but I think for me it was like an amalgamation of multiple things. I think I used that word correctly. The blood sugar, the caffeine, the sleep schedule messing up. That one, oof, it messes with me. Anyway, so here's a question. I have a new background that I am testing. That's so cute. Oh, sorry. Um, I was not sure where I should. Hi, Noir. What's up? I was not sure where I should put myself. Does it look awkward? Like the current placing. Is it awkward? Because I was not sure if I'm gonna test it today or not. And also, ah, cute. Isn't this cute? I don't know. What do we think? Is this too small? Am I too small? Do we put it here? Did wait, what happened to the mic? No. What happened to the mic? There's a mic here. What happened? Did I do something? Yes! This morning, new overlays. I'm pretty proud of them. Did is there like extra sound that there shouldn't be? Oh, no, it did glitch. No, you did not glitch. I think it glitched. Because I think... Oh, thank you. You're being kind. Wait, I need... Can you hear? Muffled. Is it really? Is it lower? Because I'm using the same, like, thing. Oh, wow. Huh. Okay. Do I just come forward more? Hold up, let me go back to the old scene, because I kept everything. Hello. Oh, wow, the change is high. Wow. You know what? I'll just take the mic. I'll take the whole mic with me. Let's do this, people. Now it should be the old mic. How are we How are we doing? Okay, let me take it to the other scene with me. Ya Allah, we can do this. Ta-da! We're good? Are we good? I think my internet changed. I have a question about the screen. Change in sound EQ. I have emotion. Sorry, for me EQ means hold up. IQ, EQ. What is? Oh, I forgot. Anyway, is it better now? I don't know why the other one is muffled because I put everything in a scene and then I added it, but apparently adding it separately could be better. I have no um I didn't test it. I'm testing it with you guys right now. You guys are my set. Oh, thank you. Yeah, the lagging, it was actually a problem on my side. Also, like, you see the part that says place your chat box here. I should definitely remove that, shouldn't I? Yeah, that's like one thing I found. Also, can you guys see the tasbih like next to my name? I should go down just a bit. There we go. It's really cute, right? I think equalizer for sound, EQ. Yep, EQ like psychology. You're right. Yes, IQ and EQ are psychology stuff. I feel like I should put myself in a box. Wouldn't that? I don't know. Chat mode. Should I put myself in a box? Your model is behind the chat overlay. Is it? Oops. You are absolutely. Uh-oh. Did I mess anything up? Ta-da! We're in front now. Look at us. No, actually, look at you guys debugging my... Okay, now you cannot see the text that says put your chat bot thingy here. All right. Should we use this? Oh, so my question is, is the screen too small now with all the fancy stuff around us? Oh, and as you can tell, this is Ramadan themed. Oh my god, why am I so chatty? I should really stream only in the mornings, right? I am too hyper right now. I just ate. And coffee, I actually wanted to ask, isn't it late? I'm sorry about that. Yay! Woohoo! Yes. So is the screen too small? I feel like the screen is too small because I could definitely edit stuff. This is from Canva. Not a complaint about. I know it's transparent. It's adorable. Maybe I agree with you about the screen being bigger. Okay. This is supposed to be an NLP stream. I'm not gonna open Canva and edit the thing with you guys, but I could do that some other time. I don't mind doing that. I like the transparency of the snake for no reason. Because I knew it would be like that. So I'm gonna play the video and let's see if the sound stuff is okay because I like the new stuff, the new overlay stuff. It's actually I could not believe can't tell can't I can't tell you what time it is for me. You'd be mad. No, please don't. Chat delay by 5-10 seconds. It's my fault actually. Not my fault. Internet says I have internet issues. I think it disconnected and connected. So yeah. Please don't stay up because of me, okay? I mean if you prefer, I'd rather you watch the VODs than be with us live, okay? We want the best for each other. I choose to believe that we want the best for each other. Yeah. One reason I don't wanna I cut off too much of the sides. I'm looking at the sides here. I cut off too much, but it's actually fine with me. I'd rather have it cut. I may not. I know it's okay, but I do have the other time, which you probably could make, which is like the my mornings. I think you will make that one, but the Saturdays and Fridays, for the time being, honestly, I'm not sure if I'll keep this time. I don't know. Like that's why I was like, okay, this is going to be for week 1 because, like I said, it takes away from family time, and family time is important for me. Even though I wear my headphones, where I'm like, okay, enough family time, phone time. This happens sometimes. But yeah, this is supposed to be a, oh no, internet bad. Oh no, internet, okay. So, um, I do have two little issues with this new overlay is that the starting soon and the ending. I actually I created an ending thing. Don't have sound, and if it's no sound, then the person would be like, "Oh my god, is there a problem?" So should I show you? I'll show it to you for like 2 seconds because there's no sound. And we're back. Oh, alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Wow, sorry. The stream did not end. I was just showing things off. I made new overlays. Hello, Muhammad. I think you commented like a few. Oh, you've written Ramadan. We also say Ramadan sometimes, even though like the correct way is like Ramadan, but I do say Ramadan sometimes. Um, yes. So, alaikum assalam from my side of the world. Um, I think you commented like a few hours ago. I just saw the comment. I did not answer. If you feel like asking the question here, I will try to answer it. Even though I don't think I am the most qualified person, but we actually have some cool people in the chat as well. Why does the YouTube and Instagram have a underscore, but the Twitch and Twitter don't? Interesting. Okay, so let's test if this mic is going to work.
Any questions here?
That was loud, wasn't it? Or was that okay? I think same loudness as me. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. Maybe it's too loud for me.
Okay, so another thing I'd like to talk about is reasoning and planning. There's a fair amount of work in this. I'm just going to
I think it's a bit too loud, right? It's louder than me. Definitely louder than me. What? Where? YouTube is. Oh, I misspelled large language model. Who says that I did not misspell it on purpose so that someone will tell me and it will create engagement? Yeah, I should have checked. It didn't. Okay. Is the problem the language thingy or what is it? I don't know. Um, Let me see if I can find it for myself for research purposes. It says, oh, you can barely see it. It's like you can barely see it. I'm gonna keep it. It will stay for engagement purposes. Okay. I should okay. So yeah, Muhammad, if you feel like asking the question again, we will try to answer you. And I have around 45 minutes of time. I do have energy, which is not a good thing. I should not have energy. I should be sleepy because I will wake up really early tomorrow and not go back to sleep. Okay. All right. Let's see how that goes. Missing the U in language. Okay. Because there is no U. There is no I in language. Why should there be a U in language, you know? Does that make sense? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Noir, do let me know if you are doing your own thing and not staying here with us because that's all right with us. Internet is just like slowly dying. Is it my fault? Probably. I'm talking too much and the internet is like, shut up. I am too energetic right now. This is unhealthy.
kind of go briefly through some of the very representative works. But the most representative work here is something called React. It's actually fairly straightforward. The basic idea is you had LLM agents and you had a chain of thought, and we stick the two together. So we provide LLM agents with the ability to perform chain of thought before they pick their next action. And so you have thought, like you would have thought number.
Is the video too bad? Like, do we have too much lagging and like resolution going away? Because I feel like we might. And because dropped frames is now too much, like 17%. I could change the the thing I'm connected to make it better, but if it's not that bad, I will keep it as it is to let me know which one is better, okay? Because I like trying to make it have as little friction as possible. Okay, it's fine. All right. I have this thing with one of my friends where it's like if you answer it's fine, then it means it's not good. I'm like, is that fine or is it a different fine? um, yes. All right, it's actually getting better. Okay, let's hope that will continue. So this, I think. Okay, let me do some using my brain. When it comes to like reasoning within agents, agents being the LLM, right? And then reason plus act. Like everything when it comes to like ethics or reasoning or thinking, like all of that. I guess reasoning and thinking are similar. All of that is it's just chatting with the model, right? I guess the one where um Anthropic where they the Golden Gate thingy, um that one they were modifying weights because it's their own model, but like anyone who does um research and the model is not theirs, they don't have access to the weights. Actually, they might if it's open source. Anyway, I'm just saying everything that we're talking about here, I'm guessing in this agent lecture that we're looking at, from Graham Neubig, it's like you're talking with it and then you're analyzing the answer, right?
Number one, I need to search Apple Remote and find the program it was originally designed to interact with. And then the actual action is search Apple Remote. And basically, they demonstrate that this gives you um, a lot better accuracy, a lot of improvements. It's also better for interpretability.
Oh, does the act mean action as in it's searching before reasoning before acting? Oh. Hmm.
So, like I can actually give a concrete example back from our software development agent that I showed here. Oops. So here I put in like the thing I wanted it to do. And we're also using a React style framework here. But what you can see is it says like, certainly I'll clone the repository. First, let's clone the repository. So that's the thought. And then
Mike is not good. Meta did propose a model they called Coconut that sort of reasoned with non-word tokens, not sampled. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, but how? Hmm. I have not heard of that. Um. Okay. So that was kind of like more thinking in latent space. I'm not sure I know what latent space is, even though I know there's a podcast with the same name. I did not Google the meaning of that. Um. Hmm. Embed. Oh, like embedding. Okay, yeah, embedding space. That I understand. Okay. Ah, embedding set of items. Yep, got it. Got it. Thank you.
the action actually gets executed over here, and they're like separated by tags, right? And so that's good because you can look on the left side to kind of see what's going on a high level, and then on the right side, see the actions that are actually being provided. So it's kind of important from two different levels.
Okay.
So another thing is global planning. And this is a tricky one. It's very nice from one point of view, but it's tricky from another point of view. And basically the idea is this is the simplest example, which is
Before. Okay, we're talking about agents. We're not talking about okay. Because there's like I'm just thinking out loud, but like when we're talking about RAG, there are things you use to look things up. But like what does global planning here mean? First devise a global plan and solve for the plan, e.g. plan and solve. Okay, this is just about reasoning. This is mostly about reasoning. Yes, there's a snake. It's there on purpose. It did not walk by. I have a bunch of like pets I can put on around me, and today I chose the snake. For no reason, I swear. Yes, hello, Fixer, what's up? I'm like, it was Fixer, not Pfizer. Brain, work. And also, yo Snake, but also yo new layout, which debuted today. It's funny using words like debut. Um oh wow. Oh hey, we have a question. Let's go to the chatting mode. Yes, memory. It worked today. Might not tomorrow. No promises. Does Fast AI's ML course cover all few snakes walk by? Well, this one did. Did you know snakes have like arms? Sort of. Cover all essential industry oriented topics, or are there important gaps? Should I prefer Andrew Nig's ML course or Fast AI's course sufficient on its own? Good question. Okay, so guys, did you hear the question that I read? We have someone in the chat asking if Fast AI's ML course is like covering everything, or should they do Andrew Nig's ML course? For me, I did not do Andrew Nig's ML course at all. Yeah, snakes do walk in my world. um, isn't it just like the most adorable snake? Um, and it's not even bothered by my headphone. Like I could hit it and it's fine. Um, I did not take Andrew Nig's course. I actually started it like I swear like 10 years ago, and I was like scared because it's too much math for me. Um, Honestly, here's my advice for you, Muhammad, because even though I did take the Fast AI's ML course, I can say it's both foundation, like it is foundation enough, because like there is a course they have that says like ML for programmers, which helps. It's pretty good if you actually follow. Because the I don't think I did the homework stuff. Um, so I broke my fast a few hours ago. Um, I could not answer beyond that. Andrew Nick is an impressive name to drop, perhaps. Hold up, why? What do you mean? I don't know. It's not like I know them. But mm, hold up. I was answering the question. I'm sure we lost Muhammad because I keep tangenting, going away. So I yes. Um, if you only take a course, even though if it's like a full course that is um covering everything, it's still going to be not like up to date. Like this course that I'm currently going through, which is CMU, is from 3 months ago. It's actually pretty up to date because it talks about agents and it's like language models and stuff. Um, Most of the courses are foundational but not up to date. So what you have to do is like um, do your own like mini projects in the side. So I prefer you do a 50-50, okay? Okay. Yes, I am currently not fasting. That's why I'm talking way too much. If you answer, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh my god. I have too much energy right now. And like 2 hours ago, I could not even talk. What's wrong with me? These timelines make it so weird. What timelines? Um, yeah. Okay. Right. So yes, I'm currently not fasting. Otherwise, I would not be yapping. I don't think fasting and yapping should exist at the same time. So, like, for again, answering Muhammad's question, you want general machine learning, or do you want like vision focused, natural language processing focused, like LLMs, um, or anything general? Because I feel like you should find your focus first. Or do you want like, is your interest like optimizing algorithms, which like doesn't have anything to do with the thing? Andrew Nig was, yeah, it is. It is. Save it for tomorrow. Lol. What? The energy? Okay, I'll try. Yeah, Andronig is a name that you first learn about. Hello, Abdul. Hi, what's up? First name for any student getting started with ML. Now there are more. You're right, there are more. Um, I like because I oh, you cannot see my screen. Whoops. Because I like things about language models and NLP. Um, I love this course by Graham Neubig, who is an actual like professor. You're an absolute beginner. All right. Okie dokie. I don't recommend you watch this course. This is like advanced NLP. Okay. So, as an absolute beginner, like absolute beginner for programming or gotta go to sleep. Thank you, Fixer, for being here. Can be nope. Oh yeah, do wake up for suhoor. I do wake up for suhoor, and you should do that because otherwise, and my plan is to actually have coffee. I think uh is pronounced like no vowel, like hmm. I've heard everybody say Andrew Nig. Bye, thank you. Maybe say see you next time. I did put mm, exactly CS50. I was literally going to talk about that one. Um and MSI, CS education by MIT. Awesome. If you actually do that, then you will no longer be an absolute beginner. Yeah. Oh, shut up. Abdul, you're shut up. I add no value to this world. You're being kind. Um yeah, so absolutely start with CS50. Do go through the projects, and I'm sure you knew, but I will say that CS50 has an AI focused lecture series. I am very sure you know about it, but I will share it with you in case you missed it. I bet you didn't, but in case you did. Sadly, it is from 2023, but I don't think, like, I think, oh my god, it's 2020. It's not even 2023. What do we do? Um, AI. Mm, hmm, there it is. 8 lessons, really? Yeah, it's from 2020. If you're an absolute beginner, I don't think you will, I don't think it's not good to, like, it's actually good to do stuff that is more foundational. But what keeps one's interest high is the stuff that is like new. Like, I would rather do a project that I'm interested in. Um, yes, you're right. There's an introduction to AI. Um, so do find projects that you like. Like me in my own time, I haven't done it in a while, like maybe a few months, but I do try to only like even run people's projects from GitHub. Like I find someone's project that I like and I run it and I try to tweak it. Like that helps as well, you know? So yeah, I hope that was useful. And yeah, I don't know. Like for example, HuggingFace has a course, but I don't think only doing the course is enough. I'm sure I don't, because you're interested in AI. I don't think fast. Hold up. Free Code Camp has AI stuff, does it? Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp. I think most of their stuff is like programming focused. Less AI. Let's look at their list of stuff. Menu or like courses. Courses. We have web design. Like I would personally, I like algorithms and data structures and like data visualization, databases. I like anything that has the word data in it. Scientific computing with Python. That sounds fun. Oh my god, look, they have machine learning. Huh. Hold up. Why did I not know that existed? Huh. TensorFlow. I'm not a TensorFlow girly, but it's fine. Yes, we did say bye, Fixer, and Ramadan Mubarak too. I'm guessing him. Could be. Sometimes I'm like, ugh. Can you guys believe my audience, as of like 30 days ago, was 100% guys and no girls? I felt really sad about that. I was like, okay, I need to do something that attracts a larger audience. Look at this! This is, sorry, I yelled. I'm sorry. This is so cool. Dude, these are very useful information. Hold up. Machine learning with Python. Oh, wow. Taking lectures not enough doing practice. Exactly, I agree with you. Do take a look at this one, machine learning with Python. I love Free Code Camp. I really do. Their agent courses at the moment has certificates. You're right. So the HuggingFace ones are actually targeted at people who may not be programmers. So let's take a quick look at that, and then here's the Free Code Camp. I didn't know they had this. It is more TensorFlow, but hey, I remember when TensorFlow was first announced. I was a uni college student, and I was like, wow, this is fancy. I showed my lecturer, and he was like, ooh, that's cool. Like I was in class checking my phone for some reason. Hugging Face, right? Hugging Face /learn. Yes, that is the place with wait, they did add it, their agents course. This is inshallah going to be hopefully my Friday stream. Yeah. All right. Is it all RNNs? Looks like a lot of RNNs. You're right. It does. You have done your fair share of seeing what's available out there. All you have to do now is like choose. 37 hours. That's a lot. Where to start? I'm like, can I interest you in streaming or learning? Because it actually helps. It does for me. Okay. So yeah, Free Code Camp is also something that you can see on the screen. I mean, Hugging Face. God, what's wrong with my brain? Wait, I needed to say something. All right. So, one other point for Muhammad about like actually one of my advice would be like you have a list of courses, right? And you want to see which one you should not start with, but like which one, how to plan your path. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Free Code Camp is outdated. Yeah, you're right. Transformers are like the current bread and butter of actually most of machine learning, mostly LLMs, but other places as well. But isn't reinforcement learning making a comeback thanks to DeepSeek? Okay. So what I would do, like you're asking me and I'm giving my input, I wouldn't suggest you like just listen to a person like me because I'm sure you have your own biases or like just you might prefer one over the other. I also no slide to RNNs, but RNNs for natural language processing, like that's not current, I think. It might not be natural language processing focused though, right? I don't know. It did seem like it went everywhere. Yeah. I would also say you can ask something like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Claude Songe, whichever you prefer, saying, this is the stuff that I have, create learning path for me. And You can even say like, I'm interested in vision, I'm interested in LLMs. Yeah, because I should do that. But I do know what I want to do next. That's why I don't. But I don't think there's much to lose if you also do that. Yeah. You can even say which one has, because something like ChatGPT has access to the internet and it can go through all of the Reddit discussions and give you like a summary of which one is relevant to your journey. Cool. And we go back to here. If you have other questions, I am open to yap right now. RL has been a thing for language model for ages. You're right. That's why I said it's making a comeback. Like tuning ChatGPT beyond the SFT used fine tuning. What is S? I don't know. Supervise. There we go. For instruct was done with RL, like for human preference training. Cool. You are probably right. I am very sure because I don't always have information. All right. So, yeah, see, I know. I know my stuff. You don't need to explain stuff for me.
Where you say, like, let's first understand.
I do have about like 20 minutes left of my time because I started the stream a bit late, but I am not regretting that. I chose what I chose. No, I mean, no comeback. Hey, never stop being important. Okay, fine. You win. Because for me, when RL was in my, like, it was in the limelight, how can I forgive you? Like, even if you say sorry, how can I ever forgive you? I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I'm in a weird mood of like being sarcastic. Um, yeah, for me, when like RL was in the limelight was when it won against Isodor. Yeah, you can also Grok. I have not used Grok, but I have had people who have used Grok around me. Deep search for that purpose. Believe me, it's very helpful. That's good. I'm glad that it is helpful. I have not done that. Yeah. I used DeepSeek very recently for a project that someone asked me, and it took me 2 evenings to get the thing working. Mm-mm. Yeah. Yes. I feel like I'm because when chatting, sometimes your finger slips and you have spell check errors. I feel like I'm like my brain is used to filling in parts where there are spelling errors because I also make spelling errors. That's okay. Yeah, I really like Claude Sonnet for some reason, but like, yeah, I did use DeepSeek recently for a programming project that I just talked about. Um, and ChatGPT is like the thing that I use as an assistant, not as a smart thing. I don't know what that means. I can get on with Grok lol, super frustrating whenever I try to give it a chance. Really? You can't with the Grok. Okay. Yeah. I have not even tested it. I was like, I'm not gonna waste my energy to use something by someone that I don't like. But I mean, honestly, if someone I hate makes a useful tool, then I'm gonna use the useful tool. That you know, I'm not in the place where I can be choosy with my I made coffee and I have not even taken one sip. That's not fair. I have not. I got an email and it was like a waiting list stuff. I know they did a Claude code. Is that the 3.7 or is it a different one? Um, it was. I'm guess no. I think it was different because it was like very code focused. Which I'm like, I already love you. Don't make me love you more. You know. Um, yeah, and I'm guessing it's named after Claude Shannon, which is like the more reason to love it, I think. I don't know enough about the guy to know if they are racist or sexist, but I know that they're smart. Yeah.
And the problem in devising a plan to solve the problem, then let's carry out a plan and solve the problem step by step. And so
They had to change Grok's system prompt to tell it stop. Oh my god. I bet they have like ready answers. Um don't get me started. We are in the worst timeline, aren't we? Like yesterday's news, or I guess this morning's news, was just devastating. Like I was like on Reddit, like scrolling, and it was like devastating after devastating. God, yeah, I don't know. I just hope things get better somehow. Mm. Okay, let's distract ourselves by learning about agents.
so this is just relying on the like few shot learning ability of models, or sorry, the instruction following ability of models. And they end up
Hold up. You could ask it if it would unalive a person, and it would say, "Oh my god, hold up! Like anyone?" Um, did not try it, but saw screenshots. Like, the is the question like if you unalive any person, or is it like, wow? Tell you about Kaggle competitions. Kaggle competitions scare me. So I really should get back to them. Brief introduction. Hmm. Do I know enough to give you a brief introduction? I could give you like information that I have, which is not much, honestly. But I will provide it. Contest for machine learning. Absolutely true. So let's learn together. Because why not? So, Kaggle is a data science competition platform and online community for data scientists and machine learning practitioners. Oh, it's Google LLC. Cool. Contests are paid. Oh yeah, there are contests where if you solve it, you get paid. Isn't that cool? And oh wow, that is very new. Like it was found in 2010 and then bought in 2017. And actually, one of the cool things about Kaggle that it has a lot of data sets. Oh, I'm not signed in. Used to be. Anyway, like you can just use the data even if you don't use the stuff. I really wanted to do one of the recent. Oh my god, Archive is on. Shut up. Why didn't I know that? I needed but is it like old or is it updated? I'm sorry, I should answer your question. But like I needed a data set of papers and I used semantic something. Because archive actually I did try the archive API, but for some reason it didn't give me the thing that I wanted. Even pre-trained models. Okay, that I didn't know that. But so I'm gonna right, log in. I already have credentials. Let's hide the screen, sign in, and show you what it looks like as a person who's using it. So here's our screen. I haven't been here for a while. So even there are like courses. Should we do one? I feel like yeah, I was going through the Fast AI stuff because some of their stuff is on there. But yeah, you can compete. So home is like home, what we see right now. But if you go to competitions, Semantic Scholar, you're right. Okay, probably you're right. It's probably most of archive, but it did give me more of the thing that I was looking for. Yeah. So, oh my god, Stanford RNA 3D folding. Isn't this 3 months ago? Didn't this literally get Nobel Prize? There are even like getting started fundamental competitions that are like solved, but it helps you get into ooh, I love time series. So there's a there's information about the competition, and then how it will be evaluated, input file. Do you know anything about Google Hashcode? Because like it's super similar, but it is more machine learning focused, where Hashcode was more just like algorithms and data structures focused. And then there is actually code where people have already answered. So what you could do is um, just look at people's solutions. And yeah, I don't think I answered your question pretty well, but it is a really useful um, tool that exists because, like, oh my god, there's a Pokemon data set. Um, how cool is that? Ooh, workout fitness. What? This is pictures of clouds? Is it real? Netflix. Shut up. Oh my god. Tweets? Ooh, most popular songs. I'm curious about the text one more. Um, yeah. Is there anything Arabic here? Ooh, did I just see Hugging Face? HF? Is that Hugging Face? Let me like just Arabic handwritten. Wow, that's cool. No way. That's cool. Aw. Hmm. That was text, right? Jeremy Jordan blocks a great resource for ML and deep learning, covering fundamentals and advanced topics with clear explanation. Do I know anything about that guy? Also, you don't need. Hold up. There has to. Can you please? I don't think you can send the link. Okay, there is one. I found it. JeremyJordan.me. Cool. It is also very recently updated. I know a newsletter by Sebastian Rutter, I guess. That is ML focused that I have not kept up with. NLP focused. Um, and that's nice. You're doing well. I mean, I think you're in the looking around phase, which is cool, but don't forget to start. Oh my god, hi, is that Omeima? What? What are you doing? What time is it? The thing about people, wait, here, okay, who don't who are already night owls when Ramadan comes, their schedule becomes like worse. Doesn't it? Um I think that is the case. Oh, that's good. Wait, did you just break your fast? Treasure trove of ML and deep learning knowledge. Thank you for sharing. It was JeremyJordan.me, right? Let me go back to there. JeremyJordan.me. I can put it in the chat in case anyone is interested. Thank you. Ramadan is tomorrow. Oh my god, that's so cool. I would definitely recommend those. Cool. Thank you. That is weird. Cause like, huh? Hold up. Did you guys? I need to remind myself that this is an NLP stream. Okay. But did you guys not do the same as like Happy Ramadan? Ramadan Mubarak. Uh n- like did you not align with Saudi Arabia? Because I know some countries do that. When did hello, hello, hello? Hello, hello, hello? Are we back? Uh I think I'm back. See, it was it was all Umaima's fault for my stream going away. I'm sorry. Definitely not your fault. Back now. Thank you. I think YouTube didn't die, which is really lovely. I'm loving YouTube more and more with not dying on me when this happens. So that's nice. What I was saying is, I love the petty fighting between the first day of Ramadan thingy. It's my favorite. It's really like stupid, honestly. I mean, I'm saying like country level, not human me and you level. Um, and also internet not good right now. That's sad. Is it telling me to go? Because I have like around 10 more minutes left. Um, did I watch like more than 5 minutes of this video? I don't think so. I'm just enjoying the yapping. And it's oh my god, Michael, what's up? You are our 100th message today. What 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 gift do you want? um it can be, I don't know. It can be nothing, or it can be like saying get a different pet, which I don't. I like the current pet. So, yeah, we're not going to change it. YouTube has more buffering delay, which makes it more stable. Ah. No, actually the URL stayed the same, didn't it? It didn't go away this time. I don't think it changed. Um yes. Michael has decided to not be silent anymore, so we're expecting a lot of chat from Michael today. Ha ha ha. Yes. Yeah, so as you guys realize, oh my god, that was scary.
Umayma_s just followed. CL welcomes you.
Umayma, you scared the life out of me because it was loud. I guess you had not. Thank you for the follow on Twitch. I guess we talked more on YouTube. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. um, whew. No, yeah. Was it too loud? That was really loud. Um, oh, we have 151 followers now. I think I can set a new follower goal. Let's do that. Let's set a new follower goal of 160 is fine, or should we do a funny number where it's like 159? um yeah, again, when anyone writes sorry in the chat, I'm like, how can I ever forgive you? You did this, like it's your fault. I will never forgive you. Um Tomorrow will be first fast. Oh my god, I did fast today. I am from somewhere in the Middle East. Yeah, stayed the same because it didn't completely drop. It had to like, yeah, glitches in it. Yeah, restream. Ooh, right. Thank you for using inshallah. I hope that won't happen because I think YouTube is doing a better job at keeping URLs. I felt the difference. Yeah. Okay, so how many countries had Ramadan on March 1st and how many will do March 2nd? I am curious now because like even India is not cool. All right. I'm going to do the follower goal of one. Hold up. Why can't I change it? Why can't I change it? Help. Wait. Allow me to change it, please. Automatically don't. Well, you could, but like why can't I edit? I can't edit. Customize progress bar? Gray is fine. Oh wait, I don't even have the progress bar. Set up goal alerts. No, I'm good. I can't. Well, 160 it is. Goal updated. Did it? I don't know. Let me check. It did. Cool. I'm guessing it automatically updated. I have no idea. Yeah. This is an NLP stream. Somebody reminded me of that every 2 minutes because I tend to forget. Ramadan day 1, 2025. Oh my god. Google, you're so cute. Look at this. Look at this. Dates. Okay, let's find the moon. Where's... Oh, wow, there's a moon. Ta-da! We found it. Woo! Ramadan came. What did I want to say? First day of Ramadan. And... Yeah, okay. Thank you for doxing me. Ramadan starts tonight. I guess... Yeah, I know what it is. Yeah, I guess there is no website that says which country is doing what. Well, I'm gonna play the video, and we have like, thank you. I actually like, I created it this morning after suhoor, because I stayed up for just a bit to try and make my schedule be the same as before Ramadan. Top results are all different. Woo! For Australia as well. Yeah. I mean, someone has to say start fasting, and then if it's wrong, then during like Day of Judgment, you say it's their fault. You know, that's how we do it. Uh, yeah, I did this design this morning, and I'm using it for the first time today. As you can see, I have like tasbih next to the each social media stuff right here, and then I have a moon and a star here, and then it's very Ramadani. That was my goal. Does it feel Ramadani? Also the thing in the corner and the upstairs corner. I did not add like anything like Ramadan Kareem because that would be like too loud. I wanted to make it subtle. I don't know if it worked. Right. I have exactly 2 minutes left. I shall play this video if it kills me.
Up generating a plan beforehand and then executing on the plan afterwards. And this one was used like just to improve chain of thought, but there's lots of other examples of this in from the point of view of agents as well. Yeah.
So for the previous one for React,
Yep.
you could the context can quickly blow up, right? Like let's say you have like longer chains of
Australian National Imams Council. Cool. Okay, they posted saying it's the start of holy month. Awesome. So because like they post in the evening because they saw the moon, and then tomorrow's the first day. That's how it would be. You are from Dubai? Nope. I mean, I can tell where I'm from. I don't mind it. Like I have said it before in a lot of places. I'm from Iraq or Iraq, whichever you prefer to say it. Yeah, because like American people say Iraq. I try to keep it vague, but then I fail at it. And like in a country of like 40 million people, I think it's cool. I'm okay with it being known because I have said it on Twitter, but I try not to like scream it, you know?
reasoning with like 20 steps or something. You wouldn't necessarily need all of the previous steps. So are there ways to like summarize the previous steps?
Article citing and say they did that on the first. Then cool. Well, I'm going to have more hair. Because I fast one more day more than you guys. I know our country follows whatever Saudi Arabia says, so yeah. Whatever Saudi says, we say cool. Like I said, then we can blame them. That's the main reason. I don't wish I was from Dubai though. Yeah, I'm happy with being from this country. Dubai people are too rich. Like I don't like being too rich. I'm happy with being what is the word? I'm content with the amount of money I have. What?
It's Q just redeemed hydrate.
Okay. And stretch. What? Did we just get a new follow? We did get a new follow. Why didn't I get the...
It's Q just redeemed stretch.
Okay. It is almost over. I'm sorry, Aitsuki. Am I good? Yes. Okay.
Wolfman just followed. CL welcomes you.
Thank you, Wolfman Dap, for the follow. Really appreciate it. Also, hi Aitsuki. What's up? You arrived. I will leave. Goodbye. Happy Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak to me and to anyone who does anything about it. Like who celebrates it. Okay, stretch. I actually already stretched when I was getting more. Yeah, today I had like the worst. Oh, shut up. Are you serious? I'm gonna cry now. Um, um, I will not turn this off because I like it keeps me awake. I like the alert notifications. It keeps me connected to people who want me to be bothered. Ice being an example. And for the hydrate, I have two choices of hydration. Please choose one for me. Coffee or tea? Black tea, milk coffee. Choose it. And then I shall dehydrate by drinking coffee or tea. Oh my god, there's even one where it's coffee. um Energy drinks. Wow. Sorry. Why did I yell? I don't know. Um Hold up, what's happening? Oh yeah. Yes, I am also on YouTube. Allowed to hydrate, I think, during these streams, but good point. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We won't have hydrate during other parts of Ramadan. When it comes to hydrate, I can just fake it. Look at the live tab full or oh yeah. If you go on YouTube and if you follow me, I should be on coffee. Okay, coffee it is. There's this emote. Can I use it? Please don't. I hope it doesn't. No. Did I miss it? Oh, there it is. Here's me drinking coffee. Can you see it? Oh, nope. That's not how it goes. Okay, that's real good. It's the decaf coffee because I try not to kill myself. Happy Ramadan. I'm trying to chill with the caffeine, especially at like this time of night. Let me see. Yeah, okay. I don't think I learned anything new today, but I did make my yeah. You've been playing with streaming stuff. Do you like the new layout? I made it on Canva this morning. Thank you. I like it. I love cinnamon quill. Really? Is that what it's called? I just call it like bark, cinnamon bark. I have cinnamon only tea as well. I should make that for tomorrow. I mean, not me, but it should be made for tomorrow. Or maybe even, yeah, I don't know. I probably should go and think about sleeping because I have work tomorrow. I'm gonna worry about my sleep schedule. Like this week is going to be me testing my sleep schedule. I don't think I'm gonna, yeah, we'll try. Because like I like reading Quran like after like morning prayer and it actually makes me sleepy. But I was awake this morning. um yeah. It goes to show that I should read more Quran, but cinnamon sticks. Ah. Okay, of course, we're fancy. Um yeah, we have like a snake on our shoulder. How much more fancy can you get? Yeah. I will say that the past like year from last Ramadan to this Ramadan, I tried to include more Quran to my like daily routine. Ooh, what was that? Thank you. Why not? I would love that. Yeah, I will do that. She's live. I didn't realize she's live. Let's check. Thank you so much. Honestly. Uh, let's go to YouTube. Oh, she's okay. We have a few people with us. We can go to their live. Right, yeah. So I do feel more proud that I am, like, I have more place in my heart for Quran. Yeah. I'm trying to, I don't know. I feel like as I've aged, as I'm older, I have oh my god, internet is going down. I have a different relationship with my religion, which is a good thing for me. I see it as a good thing. Okay. So, who's ready to raid a stream before my internet dies? So let me remember how raiding worked. You go to the edit. Yes, you go to customization. You go to redirect. Yes. And then you search a channel and Z is already there. Awesome. I press it and then I press save and that's it. Is that how it works? Somebody tell me if I'm not wrong. Woo woo. Yeah. It is true. If anyone wants to join us. Okay. I'm gonna press save, and then when I end the stream, viewers go there, right? That's how it is. Should I double check just in case? Because I think that's how I did it last time. Save. Change saved. I don't think it's like a /raid and then this person. I think you end the stream and everybody goes there. Let me know. YouTube stream raid. Yeah, live redirect. Yep. That it is. And then choose when it ends, goes there. Awesome. That's how it works. All right. Everybody ready? I'm going to go to the thank you ending scene, and then I will end. Thank you for being here, honestly. Today, I felt like talking, and you guys talked with me. And my energy level is, like, good, and I'm happy about it. Thank you. Please don't feel like you have to be here, because, like, if it's your sleep time, please do not mess with your schedule. I am not talking to one person right now, but the person knows who I'm talking to. Also, I wish you a lovely month. And not ready? Oh, no. Well, what can we do? My voice is here. So, short stream. I know. Inshallah, I have a stream on Monday, but it is going to be the 12-hour difference one. The Friday will be this one, inshallah. Okay, so I'm going to end the stream with a countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And see you next time. Thank you so, so much for being here. And I hope I answered questions well. And also, yeah, I'm thankful that, yeah, I'm thankful for being able to do this and having people that scare me with a notification alert. One of my favorite things in the world. Ending the stream in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye bye, everybody.